Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been. Don't be shy, and please enjoy.
Kia ora, welcome to Waste Some Time with Maggie. I've come on to do a pick 10 in my pick 10 journal. I have gessoed my page. Right. Get that out of the road. Right, I have given my sticks a good mess around. I did that offline because it makes such a noise. I'll give them a little twist more around just so you know that I have done it. Right, I'll pick out my 10 first. Add doilies. Add white gesso. Whoops, one, thank you. Use 3 colours of acrylics. Oh. Add collage. Add a focal image. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use texture paste. Ooh. Add lace or trim. Right, 2, 5, 2. Add butterflies. Oh my goodness. Use punchinella. And one more. Make marks with corrugated board. Right, I'll pop that out of the road and I will fetch my bits and pieces and be back. Right, I am back and I found a couple of pages here and I'm just going to rip these into little pieces. And I'm not quite sure if I'm going to, how I'm going to put them or not, but it's just really adding something to the background, isn't it? So right, I had something here to glue on. Took me a while to find some corrugated cardboard. I just don't have any. The things I've been getting lately have not been in corrugated, and I could use them all up. I'm just going to put some of this down as a background. And I don't really care what, you know, I don't really want it to look like what it was. So we're just going to put it down in bits. And see how we go. Excuse my cough, I've still got it. It's not so bad today. Comes and goes. Awesome. Just put this a little bit up here as well. I'll just glue it down. It's going to be all covered with something. Pop that there on the edge. Whoops. There's my card. Fingers get sticky and then it decides it wants to stick to it. I don't like that white bit there. We'll just pull that off. Put that down there, I think. Sticking to my fingers, something terrible. Right. Right, a little bit more. Put this a little bit here. And we'll have that, rip that bit off. Put it here. Right. Right, this way, I think. And that should just about be it for that. This was a freebie bit in Tracy Fox's newsletter, I think. Not 100% sure on that, but yeah, pretty sure. Right, I'll get rid of those a little bit. I'll put those in my collage book, wherever it is. Throw them on my desk. Right, I have got some very old music paper here. Yeah, if I'm not careful, it'll rip in places. I don't really want it to rip, so I like this to look a bit like, anyway, maybe we'll just rip it. It looks better. This is, whoops, I got two bits there. Oh, that's okay. Right, this is published in 1947. 76 years old. So we're going to have some of this around, I think, just to add to the background. Put a bit there, a bit over here, a bit there, a bit down here, a bit over here, and a bit there. Right, put that down first. I'll just do that, I think. It's easier. Whoops, don't stick to my fingers. Right, have a little bit more. Why not? Right, a little bit over here, a little bit down here, maybe just a little bit over here. Lovely. Right here. One more little bit in here, just because we can. Rightio. Right, we have collaged some bits and pieces down. Put that out of the road. Right, now I'll give that a bit of a dry off, I think. Right, I found a doily that I'd used as a mop-up. So I think I'm just going to cut it up and maybe just put those like that. Don't know about that now. Doily. Right. We'll put that one down there. have got some pretty coloured ones somewhere, but for the life of me I can't find them. I really need to have a tidy up. Right, and this one here I think I'm going to cut off a bit, and we'll just have a little bit of it up there like that. Yep. And that will be good. Right. Right, now let me see, we've added collage, we've put in doilies, we need some acrylic paints. Right, put my ink block here, my paint block here, and I have got some pastels, a pastel rose, a pastel blue, and pastel green. Right. That out of the road now. What are we going to put them on with? I was going to have a look and see if I can just scrape them on. Just scrape it over and see what it looks like. Just try new things. I'm liking it actually. Maybe I should not have done that. Wipe a bit off, I think. Right, now let's see, a little bit more here. Let's fill in our bits. Nice little bit. Right, one acrylic down, and what have I got now? Here's my bubble wrap. Some bubble wrap here. So I think I'll smooth out our rose, and we'll have a little bit of this around. Add it to the background basically. Alright, now our green, let's smooth out our green on the different side of the card, and we'll try this corrugated. I should have done that actually, but never mind. We'll dip it in and just see if it makes some marks, which it is. Don't know if you can see it, but I can. Right, a little more down there, and I think we might be just about done with that. Right, I don't know if you can see it. Oh yes. Right, a bit of a hot mess, but we have used punchinella in 3 colours. Right, I'll dry that off. Right, I've made marks with corrugated. Now we've got to add butterflies and add texture. Right, add texture. I don't know how this is going to work out. It's getting pretty thick. I think that I might try adding some white gesso with it, and that will be using my prompt for white gesso, won't it? And hopefully it'll soften it up. Right, now I'm going to put a little bit of concrete across it. Well, fencing, so it looks a bit like fencing. Not everywhere. Whoops, moved that, didn't I? That's not looking too bad. Does not have to be perfect. Bits and pieces. Nice. Let's take that right down there over the doily. Cut off a bit of that brightness. Right. Try and use what's left. Right. Maybe one more little bit just up the top here. Just to use that little bit that's left. Waste not, want not, my mother always said. And it's quite expensive to buy, so not that I bought that lot. I think my daughter bought it for me for my birthday or Christmas or something. All right, I'll just dry that off. We have butterflies now. So I'll get my phone out of the road, and we have got lovely butterflies here. I don't know what we want or what size we want. Have a little look. Little one there, and maybe not that dark pink, this little pink here. And let me see what else we've got. Do I want another one? Another little blue one. I think that's all we'll have. Or maybe this one. Maybe this one instead of that one. Like those. Right. We've got butterflies to add. We've used our white gesso. We used it in our glue down our butterflies with art glitter glue. I think we'll have that one there. And we'll have a little blue one there, I think. And a little pink one down here. Right, we have done that. Now what have we got to do? We have got to put our trim on, and I'm just waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up. Now what have we got? We've added our trim. We've just got to add our focal image. Oh, we haven't added our trim, but we're going to. And add a focal image. Well, I did have something here that I thought I might use, but now I'm not really sure about. Yes, that butterfly should not have been there. We'll just see if we can take you off and maybe put our bird up here like that. Quite like that. And I have another one. They both have to come on this side of the page. Do I like that? Just glue this down on. Do this one down on this side. Alright, shall I add those there? Right, where is my... Just give them ink around, I think, just to colour the little bits of white and to get them to show up a little bit. Get that white down just a little bit. Yeah, like that. And I have this one over here. Right. Right, I think I will put these down. There like that. Need to put a little bit more glue there. Yep. Okay. And we will put you about there. Right. Right, added our focal image. Right, let's see if we can get this to work now. Just want to get it so it goes the right way, so we can just switch it up a bit. And hopefully it's going to be long enough. Oops. Right. There's a big clump of glue there, which is not nice. I don't want to put my finger in it. Right, just get my fabric scissors down. you don't mind that. It needs just a little bit up there. Just a touch. Alright, okay. Now, do I like that? I don't mind it. I don't mind it, actually. Let's just add another couple of butterflies, little. See if I've got some tiny ones. Maybe. Oh, this is the size we want. A couple of this size. And what colour is this one? It's a lighter blue. Yep, I think they will be alright. Right. Purple one here. And another little blue one down here. Right, just give it a little bit of a border if I can find my black. Right, I'm just going to see if I can do this. Here's my ruler. Just get my ruler out and do this. It just helps you not. Whoops. That was not glued. Good. We'll just glue that back down again. And just give it a little wee. Like that, and we'll just use our ruler down this side. Makes it easier. Doesn't like the doily very much. There. I'm actually quite happy with that. Right, now we need to write on it somewhere that's not. Might just be able to get it down here. Thumb doesn't want to work today. And we are the 4th of the 3rd, 23. I am doing this early because we're going away for Easter. I want to get some up at least. So I'm very happy with that. So that is my page. Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha. Stay strong. Happy Easter, everybody.